Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will be looking into the first service provided by AWS, that is EC2. So what is EC2 is Elastic Cloud Computing. So this is the dashboard. So you can depending on your location you can select and you can start creating your instances. So if you see your dashboard, you have something called EC2 dashboard, events, tags, limits, then you have instances. And under instances you have instance type, launch templates, spot requests, saving plans, reserved instance, dedicated hosts, capacity reservations. Then you have images, elastic block store, network and security, load balancing, and auto scaling. So what all are these? We will be looking into each of it individually if happens in this video or not in other videos. So all these videos will be of maximum 10 minutes, starting from 4 to 10 minutes. So first you can just start creating your instances here. So instances is nothing but a server. So depending on your requirement you can select your own servers. And if you wanted to have a pricing description about it, again just search for AWS EC2 pricing and it will take you to that page. I'll be adding this link in the comment section or in the description. So if you see here, you have something called free tier. When you click on more, so this is how you can select. So when you click on pricing, you see this is for on-demand pricing. So whenever you select your region and your OS, that is Linux or Windows or server which you wanted to create, is it with Linux and SQL or Linux with SQL standard or Windows with SQL enterprises. So these are your virtual CPUs available and these are your RAM and these are your storage capacity. So if you wanted your server to have a graphic card also, then you can go and select those also. So when you scroll down, you see so these are the different options you have. Okay. So depending on your requirements and your application, how much it requires and all, you can select. You see, even you have 61 GB of RAM or 122 GB of RAM with two 1900 NVMe SSD, or you have a general EBS. So EBS, all these are the storage services. What are these things? What are these categories? I'll be explaining it in further videos. So if you see this, so these are the multiple. So these are the names. So whenever you wanted to create a instance, just come to this page. Just look for the instance that you are properly looking for, or your application is matches with any of these instance. Just go remember its name, and whenever you create an instance, you can just directly select that particular instance. So again, pricing changes from location to location. So for North Virginia it was the other pricing, and for Houston you have different pricing and you have limited resources, and for Miami also you have limited one. And then when you come to Ohio, again you have more options. So depending on your location or the region that you select, you will be having the instance options. So in this, T2 micro is the default one that you can use it for on a free basis, that gets covered under free tier. So if you see here, you see he has mentioned 750 hours per month. Okay, per month of Linux, RHEL or any one of this T2 micro or T3 micro instance depending on the region. So this 750 hours is nothing but for one particular instance. So if you are creating two instances, as I explained you in the previous video, you will be the two instances will be occupying these 750 free hours. So apart from that, excluding the 750 hours, you will be charged for the remaining hours that the instance is running. So you can stop the instance, or you can terminate the instance, or you can even run the instance and create multiple instances. And one more thing is, you can create only one free tier instance in one region. So if you're creating a free tier instance in Ohio, you can't create another free tier in Ohio, but you can create it in North Virginia or any other regions. So this is what your EC2 is. So in the next video, I'll explain you how to create an instance, what all are needed. Sorry. Please do subscribe and stay tuned for more videos and more updates. Have a nice day. Bye.